Kevin invested a total of 200,000 pesos between two banks, one with 2% annual interest and another with 3% annual interest. If the total interest he gets each year amounts to 4,500 pesos, how much did he invest in the bank with 2% interest? Okay, so ito ay solving two unknowns lang ito. Magkakaroon tayo ng two equations dito. Okay, so analyze natin mabuti. Ang sabi, Kevin invested 200,000 pesos. Pero ang gagawin nating solution dito, pwedeng one unknown, pwedeng two unknown. So depende sa inyo. Kapag two unknowns, mag-assign tayo ng X and Y. Okay? So Kevin invested a total of 200,000 pesos. I-assign natin X be the amount invested at, so X is the amount invested at 2%. Ayan, so we have two investment, 2% annual interest and 3% annual interest. So X amount invested at 2% and then Y amount invested at the other 3%. Okay? Since the total is 200,000 pesos, therefore our first equation will be X plus Y is equal to 200,000 pesos. Okay, so this will be our equation number 1. And then for equation number 2, we will multiply the interest to the amount invested. So if the total interest he gets each year amounts to 4,500 pesos, so the second equation will be 2%. So 2% times X. So that in decimal, 2% is 0.02. So therefore, we have 0.02X plus the 3% is 0.03 times the amount invested. So 0.03Y is equal to the interest. So he get total interest he gets each year amounts to 4,500. So this is equal to 4,500. This is equation number 2. But we can simplify this first since we have decimal 0.02 and 0.03. So let's simplify the equation number 2. We can multiply both sides of this equation by 100 so that we don't have decimal. So multiply both by 100. 100 times 0.02x, so that will be 2x, plus 100 times 0.03y, so that will be 3y, equals, just add two zeros here. So we have 4,500, add two zeros. So therefore, that is 450,000. This will be our equation number 2. Now, the question is, how much did he invest in the bank with 2% interest? We want to find the value of X. Okay? So solve the value of X. We can solve this by elimination. By elimination or by substitution? Any method? So just solve the value of X. So I will just write this X plus Y equals 200,000 sa ibaba nito. So therefore, we have X plus Y equals 200,000. Okay? So this is 450,000. So let's eliminate Y because we want to find the value of the 2% with 2%. So we want to find the value of X. We want to eliminate the value of this Y. So to eliminate Y, we can multiply both sides of the this equation, X plus Y equals 200,000. We need to multiply by the opposite of this positive 3. So multiply by negative 3, both sides. Okay? So that negative 3 times X, this will be negative 3X. This will be negative 3X and then negative 3 times Y. So this will be negative 3Y. Okay? And then multiply this, negative 3 times 2. So that is equal to negative 600,000. Okay? So this will be negative 600,000. Now, just add this. 3y minus 3y cancel out. That is 0. 2x minus 3x. So we have negative x is equal to, so just subtract this, 450 minus 600. So that is equal to negative 150. Just copy the 3 zeros, negative 150,000. Since both are negative, therefore the value of x is, just multiply both sides by negative or just cancel the negative sign. The value of x is 150,000. So therefore, the amount invested at 2% is 150,000 and that is letter D. Follow for more.